Welcome back to the SS Maynerd YouTube channel. I'll try to make this one quick. Here's that shed door that took those gnarly hinges, if you've been paying attention. If not, go back and watch that video on hinges. Anyways, this door probably currently weighs over 200 pounds, or right around 200 pounds. I got a nice healthy gap back on the hinge side so that I can put a really thick EPDM rubber seal against that, or in there, so that seals up nice and tight. This door is all laminated 2x6s. I tongue and grooved each and every one of them myself and glued them together with Gorilla Glue. We'll see how well that works out. But then we routed out some really big channels and epoxied in this crossboard. Goes full length. There's where the latch mechanism will be eventually when I get that done. But we've got 5 bolts securing the hinge plate to the wall. We have 3 bolts holding the strap to the door on each hinge, and we have 3 crossboards, and I believe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 2x6s wide. They're cut down a little bit to fit. Our door was a lot more square than our door pocket, so we had to do some minor adjustments because we were rubbing up in this top corner and we were rubbing in this bottom corner, and when we got to measuring, it appeared that the door pocket, the threshold and the header, were not square with each other. They're out by just a little bit, but the door is less than a 1/16 of an inch out of square. Not quite a 32nd, just barely over a 32nd out of square. But on a tape measure, it's pretty damn close to a 1/16, but not quite. Got this hole for the latch to, or the drive bar to come through for the latch mechanism, which will be pretty epic, I hope. The cool thing is, you can open this door and it stays. Wherever you put it, it just hangs out. The whole building, like I said, is covered in galvanized sheet metal. I got a window up there. It's a 12 by 12, just a storage room for the barn. Door skin, sheet metal, 1/2-inch stainless plate. That's going to be the exterior piece, and the latch mechanism actuator will come through this. Here's my ginormous burly hinges, and a little bit of bounce there. There we go. Okay, let's see if we can back up and get this thing in full view. I doubt it. There we go. Bam. Oh yes, that's the door, buddy. That is the door. This thing was a monster to hang. Took us several hours to hang it yesterday. See, I routed out the edges so that it fits inside the door jamb, door frame. Sheet metal wraps around the inside on this edge. We've got a hardwood sill plate that we scavenged from something. 1 1/4 inch subfloor. Got a nice galvanized steel plate underneath. And the project goes on. Moving slow, but we're getting her done. All stainless steel hinges, all stainless steel hardware. We got these massive washers embedded into the wood, about 1/3 to 1/2 their thickness on some of them. Some parts of a board may be softer than others. They're all torqued down real tight, and I think this will work out pretty good. I still got to fill up that gap up there and get that divider in, and we have to put the soffits under the eaves, and maybe do something about lighting, because that thing is a joke. Anyways, thank you for tuning in. Just wanted to give an update on where the hinges were going and how massive this door is. It's approximately a 7-foot opening and 47-foot tall opening, and I think 46-inch wide. And so the door is cut to fit inside there with enough clearance to allow for temperature change and any ground settling. And also provide enough room here on the hinge side for a big heavy weather strip, industrial style weather stripping. And we'll go from there. I guess next is the latch plate. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep it safe. I'll see you next time.